Hi guys, with another video. This is the watch Nixon watch. A band is broken, but I would like to show you guys how you can change the battery. This is not very good quality watch. It's bands are, like plastic or what I can call it. And it's easily breaks. Anyway, let's go ahead and take it out. The 4 screw there, as you see right there. All done. Yeah, guys, taking out the screw so hard, I don't know how they did. Yeah. Anyway, just I have a hard time to lose this screw. Well, I did. If you guys taking the screw, do not worry. It's so hard to take it out. Yeah. Let's see and look inside what kind of battery they used. Come on. Yeah, it's not quality watch. Once again, I'm gonna tell you. Let's see how they did inside. Well, almost there. One more screw. Right there. Alright, let's take it out the cover. Okay. Voila. This is here. This is the one. Size, this kind of size. You just take it out the plastic. Oh, let's see. Without taking out the plastic, is it gonna come out? I don't know. Let's see very closely. Well, it should. Maybe just touch this. Maybe right here. Well, hold on a minute. So what are you gonna do? This screw, as you see, little bit, you guys untie it, little bit, not too much, and then this is the one. Then just push it. When you push it, as you see, look, battery is came, as you see, right there. See, this is the one. So you will buy exactly this size of battery, as you see. Like, what is the size? Yeah, as this size. This is the size. Let's see. Yeah, it's written that, but it's not clear. It's on top of the battery is written that what size is it. This is 626 SR or BR something W. Anyway, yeah, this is the way. You just take it out battery. Then when you want to put it back, just one side, put the inside like this. Put the inside one side. This is the side first. Let me. Okay, this is the one side is first. Please do not touch this one. Okay, just push it a little bit inside. And then what you're gonna do? One side you're gonna push it inside and hold the battery. And other hand, push this whatever before you push it same way you push it again, right? This is metal. Same time you push the battery inside. So this is it. Then it's gonna be the inside battery is gonna be inside. I'm gonna repeat again. When you wanna take it out, just this metal, this is the screw. Just maybe you don't need to touch, even though you don't need to touch, but just little bit lose it, and just push it here, this one, little bit, and batteries comes out, as you see, as you see right here, and then the new battery, what you're gonna do, first you put this side inside, right there, push it a little bit, and turn it the watch, and hold the battery, and to push this metal, and same time push the battery inside. That's it. See, this is it. All right, guys. Then after that, of course, you tight the cover and everything, and this is the way you're gonna change the Nixon watch. And yeah, all right, see you soon with another video, and bye.